Ka samla Nelly Mary Camdej, Kun Jungkong Sabina Camdej, Bat Let Dominic Ral Dhar Nakashnong Saidan Riboy, Kabalik Ban Pule Hasin Paul Higher Secondary School, Kalala Ban Kenjo Kerdan Kabaar Jungkatup Top 10, Hak Result Higher Secondary School Living Certificate Art Stream, Kabalapan Mi Dakap Imbus Mentakasngi. Kumpan syukudel hangne baka samla Nelly Mary Camdej, Kalayale Yaka exam HSSLC, Bat Kalawan Haka Kerdan Kabaar, Hapo Kajala Barokawe, Hakaba Kalala Ban Kor Hadu Sospa San Puwimak, Bat Kalalong Marwe Napo Riboy District Kabami Kerteng Haka Top 10. Habede berkete ka nam bat burom ya kabalawan ra dakte ka samla Nelly Mary Camdej na kaliang ka school. Hakane ka sngi da ka jing sngo komen bat jing sngo sarong na kaliang ki kena school ki no hikai bat ka principal kilap dang sngo bahai kene ka samla nadu jakarung shadu jaka baki penlong program. Haba kren na kaliang ka samla Nelly kala pen pau jing sngo komen ka bakrau ha ka bagla ai kuble yuble ki no hikai ki bahai yang hasam ki baladar benta bat ha ka jing pen kre ban yele ya kene ka exam.
I'm Nelly Mary Camdej. Before I begin with my words, I would like to request Sister and Mr. to please lead us with a prayer. Out of 183, we have a shining star, so to say, who made us feel proud, standing on the success and an achievement to get top place in the state is not easy, but I could see the hard work, dedication, perseverance, persistence in our duty as students made us feel proud. We are proud of you, Nelly. The school will always remember you for your great achievement, outstanding in academic results. The St. Paul's family will once again congratulate you and bless you with many more success and happiness in life. May your dreams, whatever you have, will be always that of happiness, that of success, that of bringing glory to your family, to yourself, and to the school where you study. May we continue to pray that your future will be always bright, will be always blessed one, making us school proud. So thank you so much, dear Nelly, for bringing good result to the school. Now, out of thousands of students, you made our school proud. You made our school one of the outstanding school in the state as well. So may God bless you. Congratulations to Nelly and to all the family members as well. The source of wisdom, knowledge, understanding, and all the blessings comes along. We thank God for the gift of Nelly to our school, our parents, our siblings, the teachers, and all her classmates, for the gift of their lives and the contribution that they have given to the school. God who loves her, who gifted her with talents, gifts, memory, has come through her life. We thank God for all the happiness that all of us have enjoyed this morning. With grateful hearts, we love and praise. We thank God and surrender her. As she brought happiness to our school, may her very life be as that of the star, shining always, giving life and meaning to the thousands of people today and the days to come.
Aku bala iat bala terkuya hadu kat ni kecing shisha ngar claim kemilin tiba ka result jong akan bahang hadu kat ni na expect bangan don ho top 10 hingga ngam expect bangan poi ha second rank te ha ka por bang akret kon ningkong ngam da shim serious mo hadu kat ta ngam da don kata ka jing thrang ba ong ba ngan pun yo bet hadu top 2 ne top 1 nga ong yela de bang ade bandam ha top 10 ngam da don te kata ka jing thrang ban ong ba hadu benda poi ha kan ka kata hadit ka tu ngalapit punya ban ngalapit ba ba kumno haying ba school ro kunju tidak terang hadu kata bangan dawan rae kata ka result ka baha kidon kata ka jing kemi lenti ka bakam shujrong nanga te kum ta ngala perkhat ba ngala busan baha ladang am le baha kanong ka e ka ben solusi hayeng ba school ro kunju te kum ta ka dang jan ki singa sedang ban pule kuat baha no bat ngam da penlut kaya ka por hang ni hang tai tang sulalat ka por kendiat ngalaya le ban pen ka ha ka kuat te kum ta ka e ka kubor ka bang aku ban aish kiwi kalong nikom nung shap e pidi ban bu e ka thong lada pidon katong pila be hadian kata rengkat bat katong ka jing trash tom ro ka di bandon lada pi trash tom klampa pila ban khet yo so uba baha uba bang te hadian kata ka consistency ka ba pile ka ju shi ka ju man ka sngi pide ban le ka kendiat mong man shisen pule ne last moment pin bam shisen bam andre kendiat man ka sngi lada pi pule pila be wala pimde ikna iba biang hadu kata ban ong inong kumno Ladi makana average students ro haba pidan kathong kajing trang kajing trash tom but man kasni to penlot ika por jong pia ka kot pinla be you can ja essay writing letter writing kung gitu kita competition issue
ya tu kai rap nam gene kajing simen tanya pis jadi involve pis ki weki extra activity kai rap nam ya ka kulit tu jong
kane kai rap shibun nama kumbangala ong happy menta banga jishin benta like science exhibition Kade house nam arjar ko ar banga shemi ka science exhibition but la job ro ngila poi state level nam to ngila poi national level habangi poi shitei shi Gujarat ka don kata nile kata ka national level te habangi poi shitei ngasdang ban observe ki wiki khana ha state la de ha ya observe ki don ka to ka ne ki batrang shisha ya kata ka jing start ki trang shisha ya ka e ka baki kwa bi ben pen urlong te kum ta ngala pej bahai ki khana shabal kilong ki ba minat bah da compare bat ngi hang ne ngi ngimpat long e ngi la de ngi lakam bangi minat ande da compare bat ki shitei ngi ngimpat long e te ngala pe ya ki ngala ya keren bat ki te kum ta ki ro ki la ai advice nga ki ong ngi shande ngi long bet ne habangi kwa e ke wat mut bangin pelut ya ka por jungi ha ngi kwa bangin yo kata ngi ya kata bet ni concentrate te kum ta ki ro yang amo ki ong ba ki ro ngai i pidon hi kata kasap te kum ta la da pikwa ban yo khet yo so obabang obathiang pidi ban le shitombe pidane ka potential te kum ta ki turo kilai encourage nga rengkat bat ki parlo kelas jonga barabor ki baju don bat nga kilo ong yang balada pi puli bha kila bi bandon ka top 10 kum ta ngaru ngalas don ba kata ka mensim langsung shingan ka mensim balada ngan le bha ngaru andon be ka top 10 kum ta ngala shuminat be tang ha ka kot bat kum ta men ka result ba ngala
te kerdan ba
ya menta ta nga pakar ben continue bachelor dah din bachelor dengan pendep bit masters but PhD kajing terang jonga ka di bangan long professor ni lecturer kanu ke college ngam kuat ban hikai kum tang kum high school level hoi kajing sedang kan debit nak school te andai kajing kuat jonga ka long bangan long settle bit kum i professor di college ngapa ban hikai college te akalian juga subject ngam pat tikna hadu tama nama ngadon arti ki subject ki bangan setena kawe ka di ka English ngala ban le ka English literature lane ka education
Yes, because of this blessing that we are able to witness this beautiful day. I would like to congratulate my dear sister for this achievement. I would like to congratulate the school, the faculty as a whole, because of this achievement. In fact, I'm not used to cameras, but today I'll get used to it because I'm a proud brother today. I'm a proud elder brother. And it's not just because of me. I'm a proud brother today, not because of me alone, or because of our family alone, but because of the collective support that we are gaining from left and right up and down. It is because of the blessings of God that we have got a supportive, encouraging headmistress. We have got understandable parents like teachers that have given the constant effort, the constant encouragement to her that she is able to witness this beautiful day. So it's just a piece of request to each and every one of you, my dear students. As you have heard, Ms. Viti was saying that I was an expert faculty of St. Paul's High Secondary School. So I'm here to admit and share a little bit of advice to every one of you that you have got the most amazing headmistress, you have got the most amazing teachers with you. So all you have to do is just be obedient enough to listen to their advices and trust in your hard work. And one day, definitely you will shine. And without losing this moment, I would like to take the opportunity, because every time you have heard people saying, Northeast, Southwest, St. Paul's is the best. But now I stand here and I will say, and I want to take part in this. Let's all say, long live St. Paul's. Long live St. Paul's. Long live St. Paul's. Long live St. Paul's. Thank you everyone. Thank you one and all.
Very grateful to God for the gift of good results. Out of 183, we are privileged to have one person who is shining like a star to the school. Her performance, outstanding performance, is really admirable. We thank Nelly Mary Kumdet for bringing good result to the school. She is upright, and we really, from the start onwards, I encourage, motivate, and she really kept up her promise that she will do well. She was not able to get top list in SSLC exam, but her hard work, persistence, dedication to the efforts that she made our school proud and herself. Looking at her, I really admire the way that she used to move around in the school. She never skipped from the school unless and until some necessary holidays or for her personal needs or sickness. Otherwise, she never skipped from the school. And even in the performance, other activities also, she was very smart, active. And I used to inquire from the teachers, how is the performance of Nelly? Teachers will always say, oh, she's doing best, she's doing her best. So I really admire her approach to the teachers whenever she needed, and she really brought glory, pride to the school. I congratulate the family, the supportive staff, and all her classmates. She not only the teachers, but it is her effort make the school proud. And congratulations, wish you all the best.